we are looking at how to pronounce this name, as well as looking at whether this is a feminine or masculine name, a boy's name or a girl's name. Well, it is simply both, really. So this is a name that is used in Eastern Europe, or at least this particular spelling. Of course, it's Nicolas. But how do you say it? Well, in English it is often said as Nikola, Nikola, although in Eastern Europe languages it is generally said as Nicola, Nicola, with no particular stress on any particular syllable. Often it is said as Nicola, with a stress on the first syllable, Nicola. Now in countries like Serbia, Croatia, Bosnia, Montenegro, Bulgaria and Macedonia, it is a boy's name, while in Germany, Poland, Slovenia, Slovakia, Estonia and the Czech Republic, it is usually feminine, a girl's name. And now I think you pretty much know it all about this name, Nicola, and now you know. More videos here on how to pronounce more names whose pronunciations aren't always obvious. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.